Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some cookies. It's called Black Forest chocolate cookies. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 200 grams dark chocolate, 100 grams butter, 200 gram flour, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon baking powder, 100 gram sugar, 1 egg, 100 gram candied cherry. Let's see how I'm going to make this. In a bowl I added sugar. To the same bowl I add egg. In a separate bowl I sieve the flour and pinch of salt along with the baking powder. In a separate bowl I weigh out butter and chocolate separately. I'm going to melt it in the microwave and I'm choosing the option for the melting and enter the weight and going to start. It shows around 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Once I melted the butter, just give it a mix so butter will melt properly. At the same time for the chocolate as well. And now I'm adding butter to the chocolate bowl and give it a good mix without any pieces of butter or chocolate. In a separate bowl I took some cherries and I'm going to half it. Now I am whisking sugar and egg until you get this kind of texture, kind of ribbon texture. At this stage I am going to add my melted butter and chocolate to the egg and sugar bowl and give it a good mix. Once it's all done, I'm adding my dry ingredients and I'm using a spatula which is easier to fold the flour into the batter. And when you're folding it, try to press a little by little. The pressing method will help you to bring all the dry ingredients, cooperate with the rest of the ingredients. Cookie dough is ready. I have divided the cookie dough around 20 portions and I made the bowls and literally try to flat it up. Then I garnish with 3 pieces of cherries on the top, and once you add the cherries, try to press it a little bit, which helps to hold the cherry with the cookies while it baking. I made 11 cookies with cherry and the rest of the cookies with almond, and you can see that I'm putting inside the oven. About 180 degrees I'm going to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes and it's done now. You can see in the bottom it bakes properly. At the same time inside as well. You can make this recipe within 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Chef Naz.